Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to install ink cartridge and repress. You will remove in the box. When you first open from the box, yes, you do like this. So guys, when you finish, you report in the machine. So first remove this one before, yes, then move this cover, you remove this cover, yes, this one, this, this like this, yes. So now we're going to put in the machine, close. So then after you're going to connect the power. You're going to connect the power, only you connect it like this. So then after 30 seconds you are going to make alignment. After 30 seconds you are going to make alignment. Click OK, roll paper. So then you send paper, red paper like this. It's making now alignment. So when you finish, you can do everything you want. Here you can print photos, passport photo, you can print photo from your mobile. So before you do that, you first make alignment. When you finish to make alignment, you can do everything you want. Now it's making alignment, it's going to finish to make alignment. So now as you can see, very good. As you can see now, yes, as you can see. So you learn this video, it helps you in your business. You will do like this. I will show you in another videos showing how you can start this business. Yes, now it's going to be over. Yes. We wait for like just 10 seconds to be finished to alignment. Yes, it's coming like this. So then after, guys, thank you for watching my video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.